So you want to get alerts in your stream? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about it. Hello my friends, my name is of course Dragonheart, the Prince of Wales, and welcome to the latest video in a series of videos called 30 Days to Become a Better Streamer, my playlist to help you at Twitch streaming. I of course am a streamer myself. I stream on Twitch. My name is Prince Dragonheart. If you like the sound of what I do, then by all means go over and check out my Twitch channel. It would mean a lot to me. We're going to look at a couple of websites today, so let's go into stream mode. First website we're going to look at is Streamlabs. I use this for most of my alerts. You basically log in with your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, depending on whatever you stream off of. I'm just going to do this quickly, but you'd have to connect your account as well and authorize Streamlabs to use your whatever you use. So we're just going to do that quickly. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll have a little box by you that says Alert Box. You click on that, and that brings up this page by here. So we're going to scroll down, and you'll see by here Global Event Type. Whatever you want to have configured on your streams, you enable it from this by here. So I want donations, I click that by there. I want my Twitch follow, I want that by there. So basically, this panel by here, which is quite confusing because they have updated it recently, global settings, you click on that, it brings up everything that you would use on your streams. So for example, donations, I have this ticked on by here. I click on donations, and this page by here will show you exactly what I have for my donations. I have a lady by here, a very lovely lady, who comes to my streams occasionally. And then I also have a sugar diabetes fart.mp3. These are things that I've been able to get off a website and customize, which I will show you in this video in a sec. So I've got my OBS on, as you can see from what's on the camera right now. If I want to test it, I click test or send test.
Diabetes.
And that's what I have on my stream. That's probably a bit loud, so I do apologize if I hurt your eardrums at all. You can change that though on here. So I got sound volume 34. But I can bring that right down. I'm going to bring it down to say 16. Click Save Settings. Send test again.
Diabetes.
And that's a little bit better. The first one was hitting the red zone. That one's in the amber zone on my OBS sound. So that's a lot better. So you can configure it just by doing things like that. You've then got your font size. You've got your font families. You pick what you want. You can animate it, bounce in from the left, bounce in from the right. How long you want to go on for? I think 7 seconds is probably long enough. You don't really want something that's going to be 30, 40, 50 seconds and on your stream constantly. You want something that's like 5 to 7 seconds. 10 at the most probably depending on what it is. So I think 7's fine by here. Text animation, I've gone for rubber band, but you can select and change all of these and customize them however you want to. This is the bread and butter of your streams. This is where you can really show off some of your creativity, jump into these things and actually customize them however you see fit. And I've just noticed as I've been doing this that my webcam is a little bit off color by here, so give me a moment to correct that. There we go, my webcam is better. That's because I didn't click the toggle mask on and off thing on my filter. I'll go into webcams and how to do that in a separate video, but hey, streamers fail. Don't be scared to fail. You learn from your mistakes, and look, I just learned from that right by there. So this is my donations one. So I've got like a Twitch follow one, so I click on Twitch follow, and it's the exact same thing. You hit send test.
Pop that booty, bitch.
I don't know why, but I have to do that dance all the time. That was a little bit loud as well, to be honest with you. So we're going to bring that down slightly. That's on sound volume 18. So I'm going to bring that down to say 13 and save that. And that should hopefully be fine. So I've got a Booty Cat GIF, and I have a YouTube Twitch sound alert for the sound as well. And like I said, you're probably wondering where these come from, because if you click on the plus for these, you have stock images. You've got like, well, this is what I actually started with, the cat with the fuzzy eyes. I wanted to keep the cat theme because I'm a cat owner, and my cats do appear on my streams quite often. So I ended up getting my own cats from different places. But I've all these visual stuff by here of stuff, basically. Uploads, these are the ones I've uploaded. These are the ones I actually use on my stream. You can see they're a lot more animated. There's a lot more going on with them. They're a bit freaky. They're a bit out there. They're a bit off the wall. But that's kind of what my streams are like, to be honest with you. So I'm going to show you how to get these now, okay? So we're going to start off with this website, which is right by here. It's called Giphy. So you go on there, you type in what you want. So for example, search all GIFs and stickers. So I'm just going to put on here, I don't know, funny cat. Very basic. Oh look, there's lots of GIFs of cats. That suits me down to the ground because I use cats in my stuff. We have a cat doing its filing by here. We've got a cat doing a weird walk. We've got a cat doing a weird facial thing here. And what you would do, you click on that image. You would then right click, save image as, and see it come up as a GIF image. So I'm just going to find a place to put this on my folder. So let's just see where I can put that. Okay, so I've got all my other ones by here. Disco cat, booty cat, for example. So I'm just going to call this one cat weird face. That's what it is. It's a weird face. Save that. That's now saved onto my hard drive, my desktop, etc. And if I want a sound alert to go with that, then I have another website right by here called Follow Soundboard, or myinstance.com. And there are lots of different sounds you can find on here. I will say this now, though. You will have to check these as you go along. There are thousands on here, different sounds. However, I uploaded one of my alerts the other day, not the one I used in this video, but it was for a different alert that I had in a YouTube video that was only like 2 minutes long. And I ended up getting a third-party notice on that video, which is quite annoying. Now, I could still keep the video uploaded to YouTube. However, it was blocked in the United Kingdom, which is kind of annoying considering that I'm from the United Kingdom. So most of my audience couldn't watch the video. So just take it with a pinch of salt. Just try out different things here and see what works. Most of them are only a few seconds long, and it works exactly the same way. You can type in things, but here, so I've got like, oh yeah, for example. So type in an oh yeah and search for it. Things will come up to that effect then. You've got like Twitch follows, so you just type in new followers. So you click a button.
A new follower.
Hell yeah.
Now, as you can tell from this video, that was super, super loud. So be careful when you are listening to these, because I've got my volume down in my ear cap, but that might have come across quite loud on video, so I do apologise for that. But you can pick whatever you want to, and it works exactly the same. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to actually set up a Twitch raid alert by here. So image, click on there, uploads. I'm going to upload that new one that I just downloaded from that website. So there it is by here, cat weird face. And then I can select that, make sure it's ticked, click select. Let's save settings now and do a test alert. I now have the cat weird face on my screen. But I want to change that because it's a bit boring, to be honest with you. Let's change the sound. So again, click on the select audio. There are default audios you can select, but I have other ones that I have used for my other alerts. So let's just go for, I don't know, let's go for this one.
Them booty bitch.
Bear in mind, it will play, and it will be at a default volume when you select it, so bear that in mind. We're going to move that right down to like 8. Save it.
Pop them booty bitch. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So that's quite interesting. I want to change the font. Let's just go for something random by here. Let's go for Elsie. Let's change the font color to, let's go for an orange, shall we? Let's go for an orange. Let's save that. Animation, we can change that. Let's just change that to light speed in, and let's say light speed out. It's going to be quite quick. And I'm going to change the duration from 8 down to, I said 7 last time. Let's go for 7 again. And let's just see what that looks like.
Pop them booty bitch.
So that seemed better. I can put a text delay on here. So let's just put a text delay of, say, 3 seconds. Let's put the alert back to, put to 9 seconds, because it did seem a bit, could have been done a bit better. I can change the way it looks as well. So I have to write in across the cat by here or to the side of the cat. I'm going to put it there instead. And font weight, we'll put that up to 900. Font size, make the font size a bit bigger. Let's just save that. And let's just see what that looks like.
Pop them booty bitch.
I'm not sure about the font. I think the font kind of ruins it. So I can just change that again and again. And you just go on until you're happy and you find something you actually like. And that's basically where you go. To get all of your alerts to then show in your OBS, you'll see you've got add alert box to your stream. So you copy the URL. So you click on that, you copy the link. And then in your OBS, if I bring that up for you, in your OBS, you'll see that I have a Twitch follow and sub alert. Click on that. And then there's a URL which you can use by here. Put into URL with it. To add this, you click onto plus, you go onto browser, you add a new browser source, and then you copy the URL, and that's where you get all of your alerts. And you can tweak them, you can resize them. For example, I can change the height and the width to different things. That's for 2080 by 720. That seems to work well on mine. But you can customize them and change them however you see fit. And then there's other websites you can use as well. I've just shown you this one because it's the one that I use mainly, but there are many others as well, like Stream Alerts and Muxi and other ones as well. They all do different things. They all have different options and stuff. So you basically try them out and see what you like. But for a very basic level of how to get alerts on your streams, hopefully this video has been good for you. Anyway, guys, I've been Dragonheart. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.